Hello, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗢𝗓. So for this video, let's take a room tour of the deluxe room here in Bohol Beach Club. Here's the view from our room here in Bohol Beach Club. Again, this is a deluxe room. We got room 410 or room 410. Okay. So the room comes with a dinette set outside where smoking is allowed. Okay, so let's go inside the room. So it has a huge bed with comfy goose down pillows. The linens are very clean and the bed is very comfortable. The type that you get from 5-star hotels. Okay. And there's the luggage compartment. And the room also comes with a personal refrigerator. There are beer, sodas, and bottled water and juices. Okay, so the room also comes with an LCD TV, and there's an electric kettle with complimentary coffee. Okay, so by the way, this room costs 11,000 pesos a night. So this is a deluxe room again. Okay, so there are the laundry bags. By the way, they offer laundry service here. So if you're staying here for a couple of nights and you run out of clothes, no need to worry. They do have laundry services, and that's the sleepers. Then here's the closet. Okay. That table also serves as a work area. So if you are bringing your work here in Bohol Beach Club, there's a work area. So let's go back here in the closet. So there's a safe deposit box. Okay, so if you have valuables, you can use the safe deposit box. So let's go inside the vanity area. Okay, so basic toiletries are provided. And now let's go inside the toilet and bath. So here's the toilet. It's very clean. It's actually spacious. Then the shower area, it comes with a hot and cold shower. It's spacious as well. It's very clean as well. So let's go outside the room. Okay. So again, if you want to book this room, deluxe room here in Bohol Beach Club, it costs 11,000 pesos. That includes buffet breakfast and land transfers. By the way, I'm giving you a huge discount on your room here in Bohol Beach Club if you book on my link in the description box below. So again, here's our room tour of deluxe room here in Bohol Beach Club. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Again, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗓𝗏. Thank you.